everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Fit Bomb Girl, a channel that is completely dedicated to fitness, nutrition and positive lifestyle. Although the channel is all about fitness and nutrition, but this has been one of the most requested video on my channel lately, and hence let's get into this video. This is going to be a home tour. So we recently shifted to a new apartment and decorated the apartment all by ourselves. This was an entirely unfurnished flat with nothing but the fans and lights. So I'll give you a little snippet of how this flat looked when we were moving in and how it is looking now. So let's get started with the video. Hey guys, so between all the shifting we just reached our new apartment, and I just wanted to show you guys the space. It's entirely unfurnished. We are just bringing up all our furnitures and all our stuff, so it's very messy, but I just want to show you. Hello, welcome to the home tour. Do not expect too many things because it's very simple, very minimalistic, and just kind of home that you would like to come back and relax and rewind and sleep. Come on in. So to start with, this was a single bed which have been pretty much with me since I have been to Pune. So to summarize, this is my first, second, third, fourth home in Pune in last 4 years. When I first came to Pune, I was staying in a PG, then I shifted to an apartment with my friends. Then I moved into an independent flat where I was staying in a 1 BHK, and then finally moved in here inside a society this is also 1 BHK but a little bit more spacious than my last flat. So it has been quite a journey. So yeah. I don't like sofas or that kind of bulky furnitures in my home, so I like to keep my living room like I can eat, do my all my work, office work and everything, and sleep as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But the favorite part of this house for both me and my aunt is this one. So these are our constant motivation that motivates us every day to be the better version of ourselves, are these medals which we have won so far. There are a few more medals and awards and trophies which are back at my home and his home. We haven't brought them here. We will do it later because my trophies are this big. I don't know where to put them. So this is a bronze medal and this is a gold medal from INBA, which was my first competition in June 2019. Then this is very close to my heart. This is from Jabset Classic, which was my last competition in January 2020, where I again won a bronze medal. This is Mayank's medal, which he won at Body Power Beach Body. This is again a bronze medal, and this is a gold medal which I won along with the title of Miss Pune Aesthetic 2019. You can show them a little bit of closer of our motivations. And if you guys don't know and wondering what these are the numbers which we get when we go to compete. First, these are the trunk numbers which we have to put on our competition suits. These are the numbers by which the judges can identify who while giving marks and everything. So these numbers are also, anybody who competes will know this. These numbers are very close to anybody's heart who competes. Alright, so that is actually the favorite part of our house. There is a little bit of mandir. So basically we have our carpenter coming in today evening. So this we are going to, there going to be one shelf over here where we will hang that. That's not complete yet. So I'll be showing, I'll post a story on my Instagram later. Coming to some plants, we have put in so many plants through the entire house because I feel plants are very soothing, very comforting, and it just feels like home. And yeah, that is the reason for that. We have a snake plant over here, we have a fiddle over here. Do not ask me the name of the plants because I have like very minimum knowledge in plants. And yes, one more thing, everything that you see in this house are either from Amazon or the furnitures we have got it made customized from our local furniture store. So none of the furnitures are from online. So this I got from the last place where we were living. We got this ladder from there only. I have my books over here. I have pretty much read all the books, but I love to keep my collection in front of me. I have a dream that when I have my very own apartment, I'm gonna design the entire living room with books and plants. I am nerdy, that's okay. So we have two money plant and one, what do you call this?
Snake plant.
No, this is not snake plant, that spider plant.
Spider plant.
Ah yes, this is spider plant. This is a rubber plant. This is the trophy which I won in ICN in the 5th place. ICN did not give us medals, I don't know why. This is my certificate again from Jepset Classic, which is already framed. They gave us in the frame only, so I put it here. This is Mayank certificate. These two are Mayank certificate again. These are the things which motivates us every day. And I know you guys would be asking me, what is this? This doesn't go with the decor. But this, what is this, Mayank?
Optimus Prime.
Octopus?
Optimus Prime.
Octopus Prime. No?
It's a transformer.
It's a transformer. That I can see it's a transformer. I just want to know the name. I'm not that dumb. Anyway, this is very important to Mayank, so this stays here. Yes, it's important to him, it's important to me. Now, another best part of this house is the balcony. We wanted to make a little garden over here so that we can sit and walk and do everything. So, we have this entire green grass over here. You get this grass in Amazon as well, but this grass I have bought from a local store nearby. If you are in Pune, you will get this stores anywhere. I don't know where you will get this store outside Pune, so I have no idea. And we have some plants, some palm trees, some money plants which are growing. I have one money plant in water which is yet to root. I don't know the name of that plant. I don't know the name of this plant. Pretty much. And I have a plan to put this money plants on those pots. Once they grow the roots, I'm going to pot them there. So that is about the balcony. Now, let's go in the living room area. Dining room area. Let me switch on the light because it's pretty much dark over here. So this is the dining room area, which is pretty much attached to the small kitchen that we have. So I wanted a table where I can sit, I can work, and we can also have our meals, because all the time I'm eating when I'm working, like you know how corporate jobs are. You start at 9 o'clock and you don't know when you're getting off with your work. So yeah, this is actually a folding table. So this was already available at the furniture store, which was the length was 3 inches, right? Sorry, 3 feet. Me and my body. Anyway, that was 3 feet, and that was in the color brown. So we wanted something in the color white because we knew that this area is pretty much dark. So we wanted light colors furniture, especially white, which can reflect the light everywhere. Plus, we have designed this house in a way where you can keep your camera anywhere and you can shoot your videos, so that you don't have to put the setup every time. So yeah, this is a folding table. You can actually fold it and put it back, but we don't do that usually. These chairs, please, let's acknowledge these chairs, because this is Mayank's, choice. This is Mayank's choice, and he has specifically asked me to mention this. Alright? Yes. So these are the table mats, which I have again got from Amazon. So I usually put it this way, and when we are eating, we put it back, like we put it in place and eat, so that because it's white and we are middle class, so we don't want to damage our furniture. We are planning to use our furniture for lifelong. Middle class mentality. Anyway, again, this is from Amazon. This wooden tray is from Amazon. This is my bottle, which is empty right now. I drank all the water. This is again another snake plant. we have got all our plants from local nursery, and all the plant pots also we have got from local nursery. I really believe that the things which are available at your local place, you should go and buy from them, because instead of going online and buying branded stuff. I'm not a brandy girl, that's what I wanted to mean. This one is from Amazon. This is a coaster, what do you say? This is a coaster where you keep your cups. We have OCD problem, so we need coaster all the time. This is very cute if you acknowledge this. This is a succulent, or yeah, that's what you call, I guess. These are mirror stickers which you easily get in Amazon or anywhere online. And let's acknowledge the fact that I have sketched this girl. Many of my friends tells me that this is me, but it's not. It's not me. This was painted back in 2016 and I kept it. Another thing to acknowledge is that Mayank's mom once told me that if you steal money plant from somebody else's house, it grows very much in your home. So I have stolen this money plant from somewhere. I'm not telling you where. And I have put it here. And it has already started rooting. So I guess Mayank's mom rock. Now to kitchen. This is a place where I spend most of my day, because I cook and eat and I walk. That's what I do. Anyway, so we cook in induction. We haven't taken the what do you say? The cylinder, LPG,
Gas line.
whatever it is, the connection yet, because I don't trust myself. I feel like there would be some day where I'll keep it, I'll put it in an open state and I'll go, and usually I do this stuff. So we have not taken that risk. So we cook in induction. My mom says that there's a difference in food when you cook, that difference in taste of the food when you cook in induction, when you cook in normal gas. But we don't feel anything because we are such tasteless people when it comes to food. We just eat our meals, that's all. So there's nothing much to show here actually, just that this is our supplement stack. We keep our supplements over here. And this one is another, what do you call, cupboard or almari or whatever it is. We have again got this customized. This was available in brown, the normal brown color of the furniture. We told them that we need it in white, so they made this one for us in white. This is my oven and this is my favorite coffee machine, without which I cannot live. So that's pretty much it. My dad says that बेटा तुम्हारे पास तो सब कुछ है, शादी में क्या देंगे? So dad, I don't want anything. Now let's show you my bedroom. I know, white sheets. Mom, if you are watching this video, I know you are going to say me that बेटा सफेद चद्दर कौन बिछाता है, गंदा हो जाएगा. White is one of my favorite color, so white bedsheet. गंदा हो जाएगा तो धो लेंगे. Mom, don't worry. You will again find another mat over here. I keep this mat all day long over here because it's written blessed. I love this word blessed because I feel that it's important that we remember all day long that we woke up today with another day, with a beautiful life, and we are blessed for that, and we should be thankful for that. So just to remember that, blessed. Let's move ahead. Before that, I'll open the curtains. This room has very nice lighting, like natural lighting, which is really good when you are shooting a video or something. This carpet or rug, whatever you call, is again from Amazon. All the rugs that I have in my place are from Amazon except for the green one which I got from the local carpet store. We are fucked up here because I had this curtain from my old apartment. I got it here, and then I got this curtain from I guess D-Mart because I really like this color, that's why, and I wanted a bohemian theme in the entire room because I think it's very peaceful. But then ये टांगने के बाद पता चला कि इनका तो साइज ही अलग है, but that's okay, अब क्या कर सकते हैं. Alright, so attention to details to this one, the bow here. initially I thought that I'll get a bedside drawer kind of a thing to keep some stuffs like specs and all. But then I had this curtain filled with all my books. Yes, I am nerdy, get over it. So I thought we can utilize this instead of keeping it aside, because since it's filled with books, you can sit over it also and it's gonna be fine. So I put this white cloth over this, and then this is actually a serving tray, I think, which I again got from Amazon. So I have put some plants over here because I think it looks very peaceful when you keep some plants inside your bedroom. And one Buddha ka statue, because I'm obsessed with Buddhas. I don't know why, but I am. This is another plant over here. I don't know the name, so please do not ask me. That would be very embarrassing. I just went to the nursery and I told कि भैया मुझे ऐसे plants दिखाओ जो मैं घर के अंदर रख सकूँ और जिसमें ज़्यादा maintenance ना हो. So anyway, they got me this plants. So yeah, this is pretty much it of the bedroom. But let's not forget about this big mirror over here. So you wanted a big mirror so that we can do our posing practice all the time and also take our videos. So this morning you might have already seen my stories on Instagram. So this is taken over here. Now let me show you my creativity. Yes. So this is a jute rug. This also I got from Amazon. So initially I was keeping it here, and then I thought like it doesn't really match. So I made a wall hanging from it. I hung it on the wall, and then I decorated it with some artificial flowers and one fairy light. So that is pretty much it of the bedroom. I have cupboard and whatever you say, lotions, body lotions and creams and stuff. That makes no sense to show you, right? You won't be interested in that. Even if you are, I'm not a beauty blogger, so I'm not showing you what I usually use, because I do not use pretty much products. So yeah, that is pretty much it about the entire place. I hope you guys like this video. This is not too much, but we are very proud of ourselves that we have finally decorated the entire place all by ourselves. And yeah, the moving job was the hardest part, to move all the furniture over here and then set it up. But everything just fell into place, and we are just so happy because it gives us an homely vibe. I live miles and miles away from my parents. I haven't seen my parents in one whole year. So this place feels like home, and I'm so happy about it. Rest about the medals and trophies, we have to put in more shelves and shelves as we move along with our life, and this is just our start. These are all the medals that we have got in the last 1-2 years. So we plan to compete next year as well, win more and more medals and showcase them here. So yeah, that's it, and that's my cycle, which I have used only few times but I'm gonna use it again when I am on my prep and I have to do many cardio than I do right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it of the entire house. For everyone who would be asking me about what are the things, from where I have bought those things, so whatever I have bought from Amazon, I will link down everything in the description box so that you can go and see if you like anything. The rest about the furniture and even this mirror that you see here, that we have put it here, these are also made from the local carpenters and local furniture stores. So if you are in Pune, if you live anywhere near Wakad in Pune, you will get this furniture stores nearby. You can go there. The nurseries are also the plants are also bought from the local nurseries. So yeah, that's pretty much it about the home tour. I'll see you guys next time in my next video with some workout videos or maybe some cooking videos. Bye bye.